Salutations, my friends. Welcome back to Outlast Whistleblower, episode 3. We did some parkour jumps. We hit some jump scares. Let's carry on with the show. Let's do some ish. That's why not. I guess. I don't like this. I mean, squeaky squeaks. Let's go to the dark hallway. Ah, fuck. Because there was a battery around here. Aha, I knew there was a battery. Gimme. I hope that didn't sign me up to death. Nope, we're fine. We're fine. So I guess we're still... Oops. Still trying... Oh, shit. What? Where? Fuck, where is he? Oh, shit. Where the hell is he? Oh. Oh. Where is he? What? Oh shit. Where is he? Ah! God damn it! This guy! This guy has been #1 pain in my butt! Ah, where do I go? What do I do? Where do I go? Through here? Fuck! Ah! Ah! You son of a bitch! You bastard! Yeah, this is bad. This is bad written all over it. This is great. I'm so happy. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck. Pardon! Mine! Fuck you! Really? Really? It starts me up right there? Right in front of him? That's grade A bullshit. I don't care for that at all. Ha! Alright, I'm running into stuff. Go, 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 go. Why? Oh! Shimmy sham! Ha! And that is probably the best way to avoid a naked saw-wielding madman. Probably. If you've seen a better way, then let me know. But so right now, I'm your #1 source of avoiding naked chainsaw men. What the hell's that noise? Oh, it's gas. Gassage. Just a gas leakage. Nobody panic, I guess. Does that mean that won't explode and kill us all? That guy! I've had my enemies in Outlast, okay? We still got Wall Rider. We have not come across... Alright, can't go there. We have not come across Gertrude yet. What the fuck? What the fuck? What? What? Where? Who is complaining? Find the main valve and shut off the thing. You here? Oh, God. The sudden bing noises in this game getcha. You get me. Journal! Excerpt from 1957 and comment IG report. Operations of TSD. Influencing human behavior. I'm way too excited and my reading skills, as you know, are horrible. The potential use of psychochemicals in political action operations is well recognized, although it has not been explored as thoroughly as it might be expected. Chemical Division includes it as an objective of its program to be prepared to support or make such operations possible. Non-chemical methods of accomplishing political action operations are also included in the program. Note, blah, 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 something. Prison, culture, exert technical services, blah, 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 blah. Dr. Rudolph Wernick, that guy, and Project Wall Rider, autopsy of recovered tests. Something, something. It's a lot of smart words, and my brain just like, duh. Duh. No. 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 Oh, fuck. I think I gotta. Prepare the mind for a jump scare. It's easy. No, it's not. What's up, door? You were knocking. I opened the door for you. I want to test his methods for knocking. Unless he's trying to set up a joke for a knock-knock. And who's there is brain damage? 8237. 237. I guess that's the number we gotta remember. I should not expect that to be a jump scare. I mean, come on, you know that somebody's knocking at the door. So, I mean, what's the worst that can happen? Fuck you. Hello? I'm no stranger to danger. So I invite all of you, I invite all of them who want to touch my butt. Kind of. I recommend you stay away from it. I had tacos before. You do not want to get close to that deadly weapon when I'm ready to fire. If you scare it out of me, it will kill you. I gotta find the shutoff valve for gas. And that looks like it'll be the thing I'm looking for. Sure. Going up, that's never bad. Vent. Vent, 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 vent. Wasn't I already here? Other way? Oh, wait a second. Oh, shit. You know what's gonna happen? We're gonna be chased by shit. And I'm gonna have to use that as an escape. Real quick. I'm gonna shut that door. I'm gonna shut that door. Please, not the chainsaw. Fuck. Fuck this! Come on, man! What did I say? Hey! Ah! Hey! Hey! Come on! Come on! Oh shit, where's the thing? Shit, 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 shit! Shit, 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 shit. Fuck. Oh! Up, 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 up! I was thinking I was in this room. Great. Great. Ooh. Got the chills down my spine! It's this goddamn guy. Swap out batteries. I have a feeling we're gonna have to run. Hello, Mr. Min. Fuck it, run. Go. Go, go, go. Oh. Ah! Where? Up the thing. I will not feed you. Go on a diet! I'm not gonna feed you. Alright, it doesn't look good. Open that fucking door, man. Don't open it slowly, go! Oh, quite literally shit. Because I'm in the bathroom. Ah! None of this looks good. I'm having a grand old time right now, but none of this looks good. I can see you through the crack of the door. Fuck. Alright, hopefully he can't get to us so easily now. I'm fine. Ah! There's a shadow person thing! Shut the door! Oh, it'll be safe. It'll be fine. We gotta shut off the gas valve. Gas valve. Where is that? Ooh, a thing. What's it say? Bing! Psychiatric Systems Project Wallrider. Consultation date 2012 of the 29th of November, October, December, September, August. Okay. Therapy status. Minimal morphogenic engine activity. The only at extreme stage 5 and 6 levels of hormone therapy. Dream states return repeatedly to images of isolation and betrayal. Diagnostics. Heavy bronchial accumulation consists with patients, blah, blah, blah. Interview notes. At the time of this interview, Frank was down to 155 pounds. From his admission weight of 228, he was down to, okay. His lethargic and largely non-responsive, interest only in hypnotherapy script pattern 9, Wernicke. Concerning drinking blood from the chest of sleeping men. Oh. He continues to refuse baths or the attention of a barber outside the general anesthesia, stating, "If I cannot partake, I cannot share." Boy. People are just crazy. All sorts of crazy. Nice computer setup you got here, I must say. So, where is this gas shut off? Go away. Dude, I didn't see you there. Shut up. Alright, you're a guard of sorts. How does one gas? How does one ungas? Ungas this way? Alright, thanks, buddy. You're really helpful. There's a lot of shit that wants to kill me. I.e. that guy! Where the fuck is he now? Why this guy? What's his story? What's his story and he needs a name? I gotta name him. Gertrude had a name. Walrider was Walrider because that was simple enough. This guy is unnamed. I gotta... just so I can yell at him properly. Oh. There he is. Shit. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go right under here. It's fine. I know what you're doing, man. Alright, I've got no idea what you're doing. What the fuck? What the fuck? Where did he even get that saw thing? I don't hear. Maybe he ran off somewhere. Hello? Battery. Ah. Shit. Oh god, I don't want to run. I don't want to alert him. I don't want anything. Gosh. I prefer Gertrude. Gertrude is big and fluffy. I could hug Gertrude. This guy's a douche. Oh boy. These all just look like hiding spots. I need to find the gas valve. None of these things are helpful to me. Where the fuck is he? Not knowing where he is or is not is very uncomforting. I don't like any of this. Can I door? What? I'm not frightened. I'm not scared. He's just got a saw thing on his hand. Okay, I'm a little scared. Walk calmly. 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 Calmly walk faster. Calmly walk faster. Calmly walk faster. Shit. Shit. Shake. 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 Bye, mate. I'm gassed. Bye, mate. Find a gas valve, but where? Alright, fuck it. You know, let's just go. Let's just do. Here? Nope. That's where I went before. In the center of the room? Calmly. Calmly walk. Calmly find it. So if he sneaks up on you, it won't be that bad. He just has a saw. Well, none of this. Oh, shit. Where is he? Open the door. Go. Oh, shit. This looks like a dead end. Aha! No! Bring it! Don't bring it. Leave it, actually. I don't want it. Oh, that's where I came from. Shut the door on him. Boop. Bam! Okay, I've got a good couple seconds to look around. Just click. Just click things. Click, 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 click. This doesn't do anything. Do I? Okay. Okay. I gotta find the gas valve. But where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is he? Where is it? Where is he? Wait. Nope, that ain't it. Alright, fine. Ah, he's still chasing me. You know what? I know where he is now. I know where he is. So, it's not so bad. He's just an asshole. Ah, shit. It's bad. Ah! Fuck you! Oh, come on! What are you doing, man? Oh, shit. Am I dead? Yep. That looks like death. Oops. I died. That guy's unfair. What's the thing? I don't know where it is. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna cut the episode here because I don't want to wander around and prolong this episode and bore you guys to death. We'll start fresh on the new episode. I'll have everything down. It'll be great. So thank you guys for watching this episode 3 of Whistleblower. I hope you guys are enjoying this new horror experience through Outlast. Oh, I missed it. I really did. It's super fun, even though this is a pain in the butt right now. That guy sucks. He ain't no Gertrude, but he's still a freaking butt licker. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 4. Bye for now.